Hey, this is That Special Kinda Stupid. If you stick around to the end of the video, you'll see how I made this solid oak floating shelf, which is really simple, very sturdy, looks excellent, and, most importantly, was a complete failure. Check it out. Right, I'm making this shelf because my girlfriend and I have just moved into a new apartment and the kitchen is huge, but there's very little storage. So, we need some shelves. Some of the furniture in there is already white oak, so I'm going to use this white oak that I have, but this is it. And I want it to be a bit thicker, so what I'm going to do is plane it up and resaw it in half, and then sandwich this 2x2 in the middle to make up that thickness. Right, let's get cracking. Okay, this is what we got so far. We have our top and our bottom, and now we have our two just regular red deal pieces, and they're going to be sandwiched in between these two. So I need to make a front for it, but I don't have any piece of oak long enough, but I have these two old oak sheeting boards, so I'll just trim them down to fit in there, and there'll be a bit of a join in the middle, but there's nothing I can do about that. Okay, now that I have all my pieces cut, I need to work on how to fix it to the wall. And I'm going to get this bit of dowel, drill 2 holes, to glue it to this 2x2, and then I'll have 2 matching holes in this bigger piece, and that will allow the whole shelf to just slide on. This 2x2 will be fixed to the wall, and hopefully that should be strong enough. Right. Sorry for not actually showing me gluing this up, but my battery died last night. You get the idea. Let's take it out of the clamps and take a look. So, the next job, I have to cap the ends with the end grain oak, and then I need to glue the dowels into this, and then maybe a light chamfer all the way around. all sanded up, the last thing to do is to drill the 2 holes to mount this to the wall. And because it's a rented property, match from the present here, turns out shelf was not going to be installed in our apartment. I tried to, and the existing points there were just too weak already. It was just going to damage the wall. So instead, I hung it here in my parents' house. And I'm very happy with it. It looks brilliant, actually. Very happy. And very sturdy. But anyway, back to the build. So yeah, the shelf turned out to be a complete failure in that it's not hanging where it's supposed to be. But other than that, it turned out very good. I'm very happy with it. If you liked the video, maybe consider checking out another one I have on my channel, leaving a like, comment, or even subscribing. It means a lot. Cheers. Hey, this special kind of stupid. That special kind of that. Hey.